Hi fam, Random Chick here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Tweedle Farms strains of CBD. You get this 4-pack for $24.33 with shipping, and I thought that was the best deal on their site, so you get to try 4 of their strands. These are the strands that I received. I'm going to take them out and show you what each one of them looks like. And I'm also going to show you the papers that they come with, and also the law enforcement papers that they come with. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take them out. And I'm sorry that I'm doing this all one-handed, so I'm going to have to, it's going to be complicated, but yeah, so let's go ahead and take them out. So far, this is what, this is what, cherry looks like. It looks fluffy. There we go. So it looks fluffy, and it looks really light green. The camera's not doing it much justice. So yeah, that's what that looks like, and that's just one bud, and that is just one bud in it is a little bit bigger than, it's about the size of a quarter. So Lifter is fluffy, and as you can see, it's a little bit taller in size, and it does look better. Also, another thing I noticed, Lifter smells a lot better than the rest of the strands. Yeah, so Lifter looks really good. That's Lifter, and that's just one of the buds out of it. And I think that it looks really good. It smells, to me, it smelled really good. Now, to my boyfriend, it didn't smell that good, but I thought it smelled really good. So that's what Cascade looks like, and it's a fluffy one too, and the buds are a little bit bigger. It does look like it may need a trim job, like it's not trimmed that good, but it looks amazing and it smells good to me. So here you have the Severe Haze, and I think that it looks the best, but it smells really weird. This one and Cherry both smell really weird, but that is what it looks like, if I can get it to focus. So that's what it looks like. It does look like it has some pretty good crystal on it. It looks really good. So that is that one. So right before we get into the paperwork that they sent me, I just want to say that each container that I got for $24.33 was supposed to have like 1 gram to 1.5 gram each. So it was a good deal, especially on their site, to get 4 different strands at such a low price. So here's the paperwork. So the paperwork is a notice to law enforcement if you want to, well, if I can get it to focus, if you want to pause and read that. Okay, so moving on. They also give you lab work that shows exactly how much THC, how much CBD, and everything like that. So yeah, so you get all of that. I'm scanning slowly so that you may be able to stop, pause it, and read if you want to. So there's one paperwork. And I noticed, hold on. So Lifter must be one of their better strands, or really popular strands, because they only sent me one picture of Lifter. They didn't send any pictures of the others. And so yeah, and you know, you could just scan down through there and look. And so there's the last page. So you do get paperwork with these. This is not, you know, I mean, it's all legal. So you get paperwork stating that everything is legal. So I wanted to be a little bit different than most with showing each strand and how much you actually get in each one. So it's been about maybe 2 weeks since I've actually since I ordered the CBD, and I want to show you how many joints I was able to pull out of each strand. So first we're going to start off with the Haze. So out of this one I was able to get, let's see, I think I still may have a little bit in there. Yeah, I do. Okay, so as you can see, there's 4 roaches and there's a little piece of bud. So I was able to pull 4 roaches out of that, well, 4 joints out of that one, plus still have a little bit left, and there's a little piece right there. This one alone, you're pretty much getting your money's worth. I've seen a lot of review videos on these, but I didn't see like people actually showing exactly what they can get out of it. I don't roll blunts, so I'm just showing you what I was able to get through joints. My second one that I'm going to show you now, excuse my video in the beginning where I could not pronounce this. I called it Cascade and it's Cascade. So anyway, let's see how much I got out of it. Pop it, dump it. Okay, so I did manage to get a seed in this one. I think I only got 2 seeds out of all 4 strands, but I got a seed out of that one, and I still got that much left, and I got 3 joints out of it. So my next one is cherry, and we're gonna see how much I got out of this one. So I did get a seed out of the cherry one. I got 4 out of this. Well, also, my boyfriend is busy rolling another one, so I've actually got 5 out of this and a seed. My next strand would be Lifter. This is what I got out of it. So out of Lifter, I only was able to manage to get 3. So, okay, Lifter was the one that I didn't get much out of. But it was smooth hitting, but it wasn't the best. Like, all of these will give you a calming and relaxation feel, but Lifter didn't give me that much of a calm feeling. Now, Haze, it was really harsh. Like, the hit was like burnt. It was harsh. But it worked better as in calming sensation, like helping anxiety. Cherry was pretty good. Cherry was the one that smelled the most like real bud. Like when you fired it up, it smelled like real bud. So, I mean, it smelled good. It tasted okay. But, out of all 4, I would have to say Haze was the one that gave me most of a calming sensation, a relaxation. So if I was to buy any of these strands, the ones that I'm showing you right now, I would definitely purchase that one in big quantities. The rest of them, I don't know. This one right here was kind of harsh, but these 2 on the end was probably the best ones with relaxation and anxiety. So if you have anxiety or anything like that, these 2 right here I would recommend. But that one's my first pick. That would be my second. Lifter would be my third because it hits so smooth. And cherry would be my last. And out of all of them, I think I got the most. I squeezed out the most out of cherry. They gave me more cherry. This one was more fluffier. Lifter was more fluffier. Cherry was really compressed, and this one was really compressed. So I hope you like my review. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and like always, take care.